Everyone told me to be kind to my team. That advice made me a worse leader. Sounds strange, right? I thought being kind meant softening difficult conversations, waiting for the right time, or sometime saying nothing at all. But every conversations I avoided came back as a bigger problem. Quality defect repeated, a production delay happened again, a merchandiser made the same mistake. That's when I realized the silence I thought was kindness was actually stealing someone's chance to grow. So I changed my approach. I stopped giving feedback to judge people. I started giving feedback to improve the work. Instead of saying, you have made a mistake, I would say, here's what happened, here's the impact. Let's figure out how we can prevent it next time. The conversations immediately changed. People become less defensive and more willing to take the ownership. The best leader understand the feedback isn't about criticisms. It's about growth. And they don't just give feedback, they ask for it too. Because when your team sees you accepting feedback with curiosity instead of ego, they stop fearing it themselves. And here is the irony: avoiding difficult conversations doesn't make you kind. So the next time you have the difficult feedback to give, ask yourself one question: am I trying to protect their feeling or investing in their future? Ta-da!